One owner car guy, oneownercarguy.com. And what I got here for you today is a 2000 BMW 740. I don't know if it's the I or the IO. I believe it's the IO. Somebody replaced the sticker with the 745 thing. Who does that? But this is a unique deal for somebody. I'll put it this way. E38, classic body, baby. And this one is a rust-free, nice, pretty dang straight body. The lens is gone, a couple grill things missing, and I got them in the trunk. I'll show you any damages, like little chips, dings, or chunks, and like you can see right here. The guy smacked the bumper, got a parking lot damage. But it's really clean car. You can see on the other side, it's got one of the wheels that are in the trunk for the M series wheels, which are really cool to have, but he's got the spare on it right now. I'm selling this as a project vehicle. It's a great project. I'll tell you right now. It's not the drive it all around town and yeehaw, it's ready to go type thing. It's a good car. It's a solid car. It's just got a little bit of this and that it needs. The back wheel for it that's missing there is in the trunk. It's the M series, just like that. It's a bit staggered, a little thicker. It looks like he smacked something with it a little bit, and it needs to be fixed. And it can be fixed, or you can buy one on eBay or something like that, or you can go back to having the original honeycomb looking other wheels. I like the M series wheels on it. It needs a lens. I'm going to go around it, show you any dings, dumps, bumps and stuff, and all that. One owner car guy, oneownercarguy.com. You'll see 50, 60, 70 pictures of it on there. And make sure and subscribe here on YouTube. I'm trying to think of what else to say, dang it. I'm going to go around and show you everything. First, I'll show you underneath. And it's a clean car. There's a leak here or there. Small little this or that. Of course, somebody's going to call me. The minute I start doing a car review, I get phone calls. So I'll have to wait. They'll have to wait 10 minutes and call me back after I'm done with the car review. So that's the deal. So grills are missing. I have one in the trunk, I think. I don't know. It looks like he tried to glue them in with something there and it peels right off. But this here is gone. Chip chunk. Lens missing. Now the straightness of it is pretty straight, man. I'll tell you what, going across the hood, everything like that. A couple little chips here or there in it, and there and there. You know what I mean? A couple little chips. Not really noticeable unless you get up on it, but I want to show you everything. That's the lens that's missing. So on the other side, this one, as you can see, he crinkle cranked that, so you gotta replace that piece or something. It's the wiper assembly type thing. It's all connected to that. So, boom. Nice. That's still there. Pretty cool. Still got the plate and everything molded into the bumper. Nothing's all chipped up or broke up. Fog lights are there, and fog lights are looking good. The car's straight as far as that goes. He was hard on these areas for some reason. There's a ding right here. Going down the side, it's a pretty straight car. Straightforward and straight. A little chunky chunk out of the rubberized stuff right there. I don't know what he did here, but he dinged it up a couple times and actually kind of touched it up with touch-up paint. So for what that's worth, that's what that's worth. Bump there. And there is a crunch in the bumper right there. He just kinked that little side of it. That's the way it is. 745 Li. Who does that? I mean, who does that? It's the first thing that come off for me. I actually had to stop right here and throw on a shirt. It's hot out, man. Stinking 90-something degrees, and I'm blazing out here doing things, and I just kind of started doing it with no shirt after I was working. I just kind of should have a shirt on if I'm doing a car review. Crunch in the bumper, and you can see it's faded here. And again, sorry about the shirt. Jeez. Chip there. Spray. I'm not starting a video over though. I'm just not. I ain't got that time. Gotta go. Selling this thing. It's cheap. Bad tint job. Let's just say that. Bubbles in the rear tint. Oh, that's off my towel. You can see that's from the towel. It needs a good buff, and this thing would be sweet. It's just not dinged up all that much. There's a small ding there. Might be something tiny there. Here. Something there, a little something. And I'm gonna come from the other side where we can kind of take a look. This tire, it's not a good tire. It's baldish. It's baldish, I say, baldish. Ooh, some kind of a scratch right there. I don't know what they did. Don't know if that one will buff out. It's missing that piece there. And I might have some of this in the trunk. I'll show you on the interior video. That'll be coming up next after this. So yeah, we've got all that going on. Beautiful wheels. Not all curbed up all that better, nothing, but there is a little scrape here and there. Down the side, it's going to show you. This here has been glued or something. And you can scrape the glue off if you want. Actually, that looks pretty good when you do that. Look at that. Wow, comes right off. So, cleanup. This is why my hands are always filthy, because I do stuff like this. But this thing could be cleaned up a little bit. As you can see, I mean, this will come right off. And it goes right down to the nice factory black. You could buff that out, etc., etc. Kind of loose right there a little bit, I guess you'd say. Just kind of bowed out. And a little chip right there. That's all I see, man. It's a beautiful car. The mirrors and all that. Everything's intact on the outside. Trim, the stainless and everything. All your... That's good. These start to... The rain drip molding thing start to give out on all these on this year. It's just getting to be that age. So, beautiful car. Lenses are great. And that's one thing he didn't dink up. All the chrome and the emblems look pretty good. There's whites coming off on that one. Yeah, look at them lenses, man. A couple little scratch type marks there and a chip here. I want to make sure I show you everything. Basically, the paint on the main body of the car is great, and the bumpers could be fixed from this stuff and painted. Chrome on them looks great, or fake chrome, whatever it is in this year. Slight marks. That's not even a curb. It's something coming off. That's a little bit of a curb. Not much, though. It's really, really clean on the wheels and everything. And there's a little bit of a ding or something right in that piece. So to go back around it, that's that. Beautiful car, and it's a deal. I'm offering this for an absolute steal. Somebody wants one of these that's not absolutely perfect, that they can work on and fix up. I'm going to go over the interior and all that stuff, and go over the motor, the start, and the running, and the driving, and all that here in the evening when it's a little cooler out, and you can see the interior without having a glare on it from the sun or the shadows or what have you. So that's the deal. That's the stuff. That's the Beamer, the stuff. Buy it. Call me up, Nathan, 406-546-8748. People texting me now. And you can check the website, oneownercarguy.com. Subscribe here on YouTube for all kinds of weekly videos. You'll love it. Thanks for watching. We'll talk to you.